Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, September 5th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold weekly, we can see that we had a inside weekly candle here. We had a nice bull break on it last week, and what's really nice is that increasing bull volume here on the bull break here. And so last week we gained that upper Bollinger Band on the weekly, and we are continuing to ride it right now. And you could look for short-term consolidation based on the daily chart. If you look at gold daily, it's also gained the upper Bollinger Band here on the daily. So whenever it loses that upper Bollinger Band, you can look for some short-term consolidation. Example here, the last time it gained the upper Bollinger Band, once it lost it there, we had a day of consolidation there and then a move up higher. So in the short term, if you're looking for some consolidation, look for that upper Bollinger Band to lose it. As far as the weekly goes, as long as we are above that upper Bollinger Band, we will continue to ride it bullish on that weekly bull break of the inside candle on increasing bull volume. On a even longer term time frame on the monthly, I really like the fact that the monthly had increasing bull volume as well on this gold. So we had this nice bull candle here on the pullback on the monthly, and then a nice follow through on increasing bull volume, and currently trying to take out this 100 MA on the monthly. More importantly, on the monthly, what I'm seeing here is you see this yellow line is the 50 MA here, and we have this 20 MA, we have the 4 and 80 MAs crossing. And the last time we had this happen was, I believe, back in 2002, before that large move happened over time. So we had this 20 MA crossing with the 4 and 80 MAs here back in 2002, and we had a ton of upside here in the long term. And I'm not saying we're going to see that same type of crazy upside here on gold, but just saying that the trend is bullish right now, and the next resistance we want to see longer term on the monthly break is 1377.50. So that's the next resistance we're looking at on the monthly. As far as the weekly goes, I believe that will be the same after we took out this resistance here at 1338.30. Now we're looking at that 1377.50 on that monthly chart. And so as long as we're above this upper Bollinger Band on the weekly, gold is looking strong. The bulls are looking strong. Again, short-term consolidation, what I would look for is that daily loss of the upper Bollinger Band here. As far as miners go, I'll go back to the GDX chart. Both, of course, gold and gold miners are extremely overbought here on the daily RSI. So any type of pullback right now would be healthy and would be healthy consolidation. What I do like, again, about this GDX chart is, if you've been following me along in my past videos, is what I was waiting for is a higher high on the weekly. And that recent high that I was looking at for it to break was 2386. Clearly broke that last week on the weekly. Now we've broken this next resistance at 2488, and so the last resistance on the weekly I'm looking for here is 2571. And once we break that, we'll start looking over here on the past resistances for the next resistances. And the next resistance I see after this resistance here of 2571 is going to be 2593, and then we'll start looking up higher here. So those are the resistances to look at. As far as supports go on the daily, because of this big move, we have some support here at 2449, and then the low of the recent consolidation of 2413. Those are the supports we'll look at. As far as gold goes, I'm looking at this hourly chart. I'm hoping that on this consolidation, on this hourly consolidation chart here, we've created some support here. So we have the low here of 1331.10 as support. We also have a support at 1339.10. Our first support is going to be this low that we've created here on this bounce. Bulls buying the dip off the 80 MA hourly, and that's the low at 1343.30. So that's the first support. Second support I'm going to look at is at 13 1339.10, and then of course that 1331.10. So everything's looking good for the bulls here on gold and the longer term, and even really the short term right now. And so full steam ahead. I'm sure a lot of the geopolitical stuff going on with North Korea is definitely playing a role in this gold bounce and the fear of uncertainty of what's going to go happen with all this geopolitical stuff going on. But anyways, have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.